I am speaking from Newton Study. I am going to teach physics of class 10th, which is related to chapter reflection of light. Already I have taught about some importance of terms about reflection of light. Now I am going to teach you about laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. First, the angle made by the incident ray and normal is equal to the angle made by reflected ray and normal. It means that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incident is denoted by the letter I. Angle of reflection is denoted by the letter R. Hence, angle I is equal to angle R. The angle made by the incident ray and normal is equal to the angle made by reflected ray and the normal. It means that angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. The angle made by the incident ray with the normal at that point is equal to the angle made by the reflected ray with normal. It means that angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection, which is clear by the following figure. This ray is denote incident ray, this denotes normal, this ray is denotes reflected ray. Angle of incidence is equal to I, angle of reflection is equal to R. Hence, angle of I is equal to angle of R. Second law, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lies in the same plane. It means that incident ray, normal and reflected ray, all these lie in the same plane. यानी कहने का मतलब है कि इंसिडेंट रे, नॉर्मल एंड रिफ्लेक्टेड ये सेम प्लेन में जो है सिचुएटेड होते हैं. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, व्हाट हैपेंस टू ए रे ऑफ लाइट दैट फॉल्स ऑन ए मिरर नॉर्मली. If a ray falls on a mirror perpendicularly, it means that at 90 degree, that ray come back in the same path. It means that when a ray of light falls on a smooth surface or mirror at 90 degree, at normally it comes back in the same path. It means that incident ray coincides with reflected ray. Hence, angle of incident is equal to 0 because incident ray coincide with reflected ray. According to law of reflection, we know that angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Hence, incident angle, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection is equal to 0 because angle of incident is equal to 0. Thus, when a ray of light falls on a mirror, normally it gets reflected back along the same path. If a ray of light falls normally on a mirror or a polished surface, it gets back on the same path. This figure represents ray of light, incident ray, reflected ray. This ray is incident ray because after reflection the ray of light comes back on its original path. When the ray of light comes back its original path, then the angle formed by incident ray and normal is equal to 0. Hence, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection is equal to 0. Now, stop my teaching. I will see you in next video with new topic. Thank you.